Prime Minister Narendra Modi today said that the government's decision to confer classical language status on Pali has ignited a spirit of joy among those who believe in the thoughts of Lord Buddha. The severe cyclone Dana formed over the east central Bay of Bengal is set to make landfall along the Odisha coast somewhere between Bhitakarnatika and Dhamra late tonight. 9 round-the-clock dedicated war rooms will be established to promptly restore rail services amid a red alert along the east coast in the wake of Cyclone Dana. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman chaired the roundtable on disaster-resilient infrastructure on the sidelines of the World Bank and IMF annual meetings in Washington, D.C., USA last night. India's expenditure on education is higher than countries like China and Japan as per UNESCO's report.